Hey, it's Ken Kraetzer for CBSI Services. Today at the Hudson Valley Direct Marketing Club, our luncheon in Greenwich, Connecticut. Subject of the panel discussion was effectively using co-op databases. Lots of good points about when co-op databases can effectively be used, how to set them up, how to create samples that are unbiased, and a lot of good points also about how to use co-op database campaigns for social media, directing programs on Facebook, for example. So let's hear from a couple of today's speakers and who had some terrific insights.
Some of the highlights today were for everyone to feel comfortable utilizing the cooperative databases. They're a valuable part of our mail planning strategies today, and they really wanted everyone to understand that they're really a partner with us and helping us to grow our clients' business. The key components of the databases, they have so much data that they compile and all the participants, so there's valuable data there that they're not only using to mail their direct mail, but they're applying and appending that to Facebook, to social, to digital. It's a great opportunity to reach these customers in multiple methods and to see which one they're going to respond to.
We have a great product in the sense that the co-ops are really strong transactional data engines, and for people that don't know about them, I think that it's something to explore because it really becomes laser-focused targeting across multiple channels. The output is going to be a custom-modeled audience, and that custom-modeled audience can be used for any variety of channels. It has its roots in direct mail, but of course has evolved tremendously since then. The main four are social media networks, web display through many different possible mediums there, and email and addressable TV. So in terms of what channels work for you as an advertiser, those are the types of channels you think to yourself, how do I get more out of it? And again, if this audience really is a strong audience, maybe I'll be able to find some new channel.
The co-op model's been around maybe 25 years, and it's really about sharing information. So catalog, this is about, they originated in the days of the catalog before Amazon ate everyone's lunch. And a cataloger would be doing mailing, looking to acquire customers. And the reality is that there's only a fixed number of people that are going to use the channel and buy from catalog merchants, and that there are certain types of people that have an affinity from buying from catalogs. And so the philosophy of the catalog is that if 10 catalogs share their information, they're going to have customers that overlap. And the idea of understanding what someone's buying when they're not buying from you is really quite predictive of, because past behavior predicts future behavior. So if I bought from 5 other people, the likelihood that I might buy from you is pretty good. And so these co-ops came into existence because it was a collaborative effort to understand consumer purchasing behavior. And so today, these co-ops have proliferated, and there's probably 20 of them out there operating today that I'm aware of.
The key point is the client needs to spend time with the co-op and hopefully their analytics team to make sure that they are on the same page with regards to their objective, and that way the right questions are answered well up front, and also understand how many other co-ops are going to be using, how many names they would need from each of the co-ops, and that would help for planning and building the models to make sure that segment sizes are set for the long haul, not just to succeed in the first test. Rollout is critical. If you make your segment sizes too small, you might experience good success initially, but then results will fall off as you begin to roll out.
Media. So a lot of good learning at this event hosted by the Hudson Valley Direct Marketing Club. For CBSI Services, this is Ken Kraetzer in Greenwich, Connecticut.